I got a fucking disgusting angle right now for these fucking impacts. Can you call me, dude? Okay, never mind.
There's a bomb grip right there, I've seen one. Ooh, that's okay.
Shrink, look down both hallways.
What are these?
Blaze traps.
Oh, did you make them in-game?
No, I have a thing, I can make them.
Dude, I've never seen anyone use these, let alone fucking 10 million of them.
Yeah.
I'd be like, is this Destiny? Is this the fucking tutorial Destiny mission?
Am I in the fucking Vault of Glass right now? What the fuck is this? Hello! Hello! Welcome to my game show! If you get through...
I hear him on
You're
fire.
failing the game show, my friend! You failed! Maybe your friend will fare better. I think he's dead.
Bro, did he just walk through it?
Come, friends! Brave the gauntlet! Brave the gauntlet for a prize!
They've gotta come here, Tyler. This is it.
How do we play the game?
You gotta get past and simply do not die!
What?
Just get past the lasers!
What about the others?
You won! Oh, okay. Well, that wasn't nice. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, the prize was in my prison pocket, so you're not getting it now. Frank! Kill him! Kill him! Holy fuck, Frank!
Kill my friend. Papa angry. Papa very angry.
I'll loot them and get the fuck out.
Oh, they had loot.
Did they? Oh, I'd be so upset. Oh, let's clip that. Let us clip that.
They had
I
no
think more
idea
people
I
are
was
coming.
there, dude. They had no fucking
No, I had no idea.
Hello! My friend, my friend. I have many wares for sale. Many wares for sale. Perhaps I could interest you in one. Maybe two.
Did you get a gun off of him?
Negative. But I have many grenades, care to inquire. I have a very assorted collection. Maybe a couple trigger nades above you. Maybe a couple in here. Maybe none at all. I don't know. You'll have to see. But I'm running in here. Hee hee.
Frank, if you get away, I'm gonna lose my shit. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Tyler, they got fucking mind you, man.
What the fuck was that?
Oh.
I can't. That was great. Huh.
Oh, good shit. Funny shit.
What happened, dude? You just standing there AFK. What the fuck was that? Wow, it's kind. Wow, it's kind of like I just killed 6 then.
My whole family, bro.
Okay, do you want me to defib you? I feel bad.
Wait, really?
What?
Are you being serious?
Yeah, I hate you. Give me a second. I'm gonna stabilize you first. I got it in my fucking prison pocket. Give me a second to get it out.
I love you. I really love you.
Here, give me a second. Frank, can you kill him? Can you kill him?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Give me a sec to try to fucking...
No, wait. No, misclick it. No.